Choosing the right drill driver can be overwhelming with so many excellent options available, each boasting unique features and capabilities. Whether you're a professional contractor or a DIY enthusiast, the right tool can make all the difference in the quality and ease of your pockets. From compact, lightweight designs to powerhouse models built for heavy-duty tasks, we've rounded up the top 8 best drill drivers that deliver performance, versatility, and reliability. Let's dive in and explore which tool is best suited for your next project. Number 8. SKIL 5 Toolkit PWRCore 12 Brushless 12-Volt Combo Kit. The SKIL PWRCore 12 Brushless 5 Toolkit delivers exceptional versatility and performance, providing everything you need for home improvement or DIY projects in one comprehensive package. This kit includes a 12-volt drill driver, impact driver, oscillating multi-tool, area light, and Bluetooth speaker, along with two 2-amp-hour lithium batteries and a power jump charger. Built with SKIL's innovative PWRCore 12 technology, the lithium batteries stay cool under heavy use, offering 25% longer runtime and double the battery life. The brushless motor delivers compact yet robust power, with the drill driver offering up to 350 inch-pounds of torque and a 2-speed transmission, 0 to 450 RPM and 0 to 1700 RPM. From bright LED lights for precision work to the multi-tool's 6-speed auto-sensing feature, each tool is designed for optimal efficiency. The area light and portable Bluetooth speaker add convenience to any workspace, perfect for DIY enthusiasts. This kit offers unmatched value and reliability. Number 7. RIDGID 18-Volt Brushless SubCompact Cordless Half-Inch Drill Driver Kit. The RIDGID 18-Volt Brushless SubCompact Cordless Half-Inch Drill Driver Kit is a lightweight, high-performance tool tailored for professionals and DIYers working in tight spaces. Featuring a compact design that's 30% lighter and 35% more compact than comparable models, this drill offers exceptional ergonomics for all-day use without fatigue. Powered by a durable brushless motor, it delivers 425 inch-pounds of torque and speeds of 0 to 450 RPM and 0 to 1750 RPM, making it versatile for a wide range of drilling and fastening tasks. Saw metal gears ensure long-lasting durability, while the half-inch single-sleeve ratcheting chuck secures bits tightly for precision work. This kit includes two 2-amp-hour lithium-ion batteries, an 18-volt charger, and a convenient carrying bag. The integrated LED light enhances visibility in low-light environments, while a reversible belt hook and bit holder offer added customization. For a compact yet powerful solution, the RIDGID 18-Volt SubCompact is an excellent choice. Number 6. Makita 18-Volt LXT Brushless Half-Inch Driver Drill XFD 14Z. The Makita 18-Volt LXT Brushless Half-Inch Driver Drill, XFD 14Z, is a high-performance tool built for professionals who demand reliability and versatility. Compact and ergonomic at just 7 inches long, it's 14% shorter than its predecessor, making it ideal for tight spaces while maintaining impressive power. Equipped with a Makita-built BL brushless motor, it delivers 1,250 inch-pounds of maximum torque, and its 2-speed transmission, 0 to 550 RPM and 0 to 2,100 RPM, supports a wide range of drilling and fastening applications. The all-metal half-inch self-ratcheting chuck ensures superior durability and bit retention while weighing only 5.7 pounds, with a battery sold separately to reduce user fatigue. This tool is part of Makita's extensive 18-volt LXT system, featuring the fastest charging lithium-ion batteries for maximum uptime. It also includes advanced features like star protection computer controls to guard against overloading and overheating, and XPT technology for enhanced dust and water resistance. For a blend of power, durability, and innovation, the Makita XFD 14Z is an outstanding choice. Number 5. Milwaukee 340322 M12 Fuel Half-Inch Drill and Driver Kit. The Milwaukee 340322 M12 Fuel Half-Inch Drill Driver Kit redefines what a compact drill can achieve, delivering exceptional power and portability in a 12-volt package. Designed for professionals who demand high torque from a smaller tool, this drill features a rare half-inch chuck, offering versatility often reserved for larger models. Equipped with a high-capacity 4-amp-hour red lithium-ion battery, it ensures extended runtime and minimal downtime, even during demanding tasks. Its compact design makes it perfect for navigating tight spaces without sacrificing performance. Despite its smaller size, The Milwaukee 340322 rivals and even surpasses many 18-volt drills in power, handling heavy-duty drilling and fastening applications with ease. Whether you're working on construction sites or tackling intricate projects, this tool delivers consistent performance without bogging down. If you need a balance of power, precision, and portability, the Milwaukee 340322 is an outstanding choice. Number 4. CRAFTSMAN V20 Cordless Drill and Driver Kit CMCD 700C1. The CRAFTSMAN V20 Cordless Drill and Driver Kit CMCD 700C1 offers reliable performance and versatility, making it a great choice for both DIY projects and household repairs. Equipped with a high-performance motor, it delivers 280 unit watts out UWO of power, allowing you to tackle a variety of applications with ease. This drill features a 2-speed gearbox, 0 to 350 RPM and 0 to 1500 RPM, giving you the flexibility to adjust speeds based on the task at hand. Its half-inch keyless chuck enables quick and effortless bit changes, while the built-in LED light improves visibility in low-light work areas. Included in the kit are a 20-volt max lithium-ion battery with high-performance cells for extended runtime, and a fast charger that fully powers the battery in 60 minutes or less. Compact, durable, and backed by a 3-year limited warranty, the CRAFTSMAN V20 Cordless Drill and Driver is a reliable addition to any toolkit. Number 3. Bosch PS31 2-amp 12-volt max 3/8 drill and driver kit. Lightweight, versatile, and power-packed, the Bosch PS31 2-amp 12-volt max drill and driver kit is a masterclass in ergonomic engineering and efficient performance. Weighing a mere 1.8 pounds, this tool is designed for prolonged use without fatigue, making it a favorite among professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike. Its compact 7-inch head length allows for effortless maneuverability in tight or overhead spaces. Don't let its size fool you though. This drill is equipped with 265 inch-pounds of torque and 2 speed settings, 0 to 350 RPM and 0 to 1300 RPM, offering flexibility for a wide range of applications. From assembling furniture to electrical work, its 20+1 clutch settings ensure precision for any task. The integrated LED light enhances visibility in dim workspaces, while the single-sleeve 3/8-inch chuck securely holds bits for reliable operation. Built for durability and powered by Bosch's 12-volt max lithium-ion battery system, this drill delivers extended runtime without added weight. If you're seeking a tool that combines portability, performance, and precision, the Bosch PS31 2-amp is a top contender. Number 2. Milwaukee M18 Fuel half-inch hammer drill and driver kit. When it comes to power, safety, and compact design, the Milwaukee M18 Fuel half-inch hammer drill and driver kit sets the gold standard for professional-grade tools. This hammer drill delivers unparalleled torque, boasting 1,400 inch-pounds, and speeds up to 2,100 RPM, making it a top choice for tackling the toughest tasks. Whether you're drilling large holes through dense wood or handling brick and concrete with its hammer drill mode, this tool ensures unmatched performance under load. What makes this drill stand out is its thoughtful engineering. At just 6.9 inches in length, it fits into tight spaces with ease while reducing user fatigue. The auto stop control mode enhances operator safety by preventing over-rotation during bind-ups, and additionally, its all-metal ratcheting chuck with carbide teeth ensures maximum durability and grip strength. Paired with Milwaukee's RedLink Plus intelligent and red lithium batteries, this drill provides optimized performance and protection against overloads and overheating. If you're looking for a robust, compact tool with industry-leading safety features, the Milwaukee M18 Fuel delivers beyond expectations. Number 1. DEWALT DCD 701 F2 XTREME 12-volt max brushless drill and driver kit. The DEWALT DCD 701 F2 XTREME 12-volt max brushless drill and driver kit is a powerhouse of precision and convenience, designed for DIY enthusiasts and homeowners alike. Compact and lightweight at just 2.4 pounds, it fits comfortably in your hand, making it a breeze to handle even during extended tasks. Its ergonomic design ensures a superior grip, while the LED footlight brilliantly illuminates your workspace, perfect for tight or dimly lit areas. This drill doesn't just focus on comfort though, it brings serious performance to the table. Equipped with a brushless motor, it delivers 32% more power than previous models, easily handling both delicate delicate tasks like pilot holes and more demanding ones like small decking repairs. With its 2-speed transmission and 15 clutch settings, it offers unparalleled versatility, tackling a variety of applications with precision. Whether you're hanging a shelf, assembling furniture, or drilling into tough materials, the DEWALT DCD701F2 combines compact design with robust power to get the job done effortlessly. And there you have it, our top picks for the latest, best drill drivers available today. Whether you're working on a small DIY project or a professional job site, these tools provide the power, precision, and features needed to achieve outstanding results. Remember, the best tool is one that aligns with your needs and makes your work easier and more enjoyable. Stay tuned for more top tool reviews, and happy building!